Please don't leave me. I don't know if I can yell any louder. How many times have I kicked you out of here or said something insulting? I can be so mean when I wanna be. I am capable of really anything. I can cut you into pieces when my heart is broken. Please don't leave me. Please don't leave me. I always say how I don't need you, but it's always gonna come right back to this. Please don't leave me. How did I become so obnoxious? What is it with you that makes me act like this? I've never been this nasty. Can't you tell that this is all just a contest? The one that wins will be the one that hits the hardest. But baby, I don't mean it. I mean it. I promise. Please don't leave me. Oh, please don't leave me. Don't leave me. I always say how I don't need you, but it's always gonna come right back to this. Please don't leave me. I forgot to say out loud how beautiful you really are to me. I can't be without. You're my perfect little punching bag.